Have you ever felt this way? You work hard for a while, you stay consistent, full of energy and hope, but when results don't show up fast enough, you start to lose patience. You say, maybe it's not for me. If you've ever given up just before success arrived, then this story is for you. Once upon a time, in a quiet village near the river, there lived a young man named Daniel. He was clever, strong, and full of big dreams. He wanted to become a successful gold miner like his father once was. Every day he looked at the mountains in the distance and imagined himself finding shining gold inside them. He could almost see it, the glittering stones, the wealth, the proud smile on his face. One day, Daniel sold his small farm, bought tools and went to the mountains. He started digging with all his energy. Day after day he worked from dawn till sunset. The sun burned his skin, but he didn't stop. He dug for a week, nothing. He dug for a month, still nothing. He began to grow tired. He said to himself, maybe I'm digging in the wrong place. Maybe gold isn't meant for me. But the truth was, he had stopped just 3 feet away from gold. 3 more days of effort, and his dream would have come true. That night, Daniel sat near his fire, staring at the stars. An old traveller approached him and asked, "Why do you look so sad, young man?" Daniel replied, "I've been digging for gold for weeks. I've given everything, but there's nothing here." The traveller smiled gently. "Do you know what your real problem is, Daniel?" he asked. "You stopped digging because you couldn't see results. But success is not seen at first. It's earned in silence. Gold hides beneath the last layer of rock. And patience. Patience is the key that breaks that rock." Daniel thought deeply that night. The next morning he woke up early. He picked up his tools again and walked back to the same spot. He told himself, "This time I will not stop until I find what I came for." He dug with renewed strength. Hours passed. Sweat rolled down his back, his arms ached, but he kept going. Then, suddenly, his shovel hit something hard. He cleared the dirt with his hands. And there it was, a golden glow, a treasure hidden just beneath where he had stopped before. Daniel fell to his knees and cried, not because he found gold, but because he realized how close he had been to giving up forever. Years later, Daniel became a wealthy and respected man. When people asked him the secret of his success, he always said, "I didn't find gold because I was strong. I found it because I kept digging when I wanted to quit." Dear listener, life is like Daniel's mountain. Your dreams are buried deep inside. At first, you will see no result, no reward, no light. But that doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are close. Don't stop. Don't say, "It's not working." Success often lives just one more try away. Keep digging, because one day you will hit gold, and you'll realize that every drop of sweat was worth it. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak and Stories, and share it with someone who's ready to give up. Remind them, their gold may be just one more step away,